Hi, Justin Taylor here from Speco Technologies. We want to personally thank you for joining us at ISC West 2022 in Las Vegas. We had a blast showing you our latest innovations in video surveillance, access control, and commercial audio. As you saw, our booth design highlighted some of the common problems your customers experience, along with the solution Speco can provide to solve the issue. For those of you who did not have a chance to get to Vegas, or if you were there and would like to pass through once more, we have created a virtual booth tour to recap what makes Speco Technologies so unique. Let's get started. Don't let your surveillance camera be a silent witness to a crime. It's time to make them speak up. As you know, most cameras on the market today merely witness crime occurring. With Speco Technologies' digital deterrent technology, we want to actively deter a crime before it occurs. Speco has launched a series of cameras that serve as both an audio and visual deterrent made up of a loud pre-recorded voice message and bright red and blue flashing lights to mimic law enforcement. This patented technology uses the camera's advanced analytics to activate the deterrents and only activates when your customer wants it to. Our digital deterrent cameras are NDAA compliant, come with a 5-year warranty, and as a bonus include a junction box for a neat and clean installation. Are you tired of seeing black and white footage at night? With Speco Technologies' white light LED intensifier cameras, you can see 24 hours of color, allowing you to view playback more accurately. Every second counts when describing a perpetrator to the authorities, so why give a generic description when you can describe the scene in full color? This technology is available in IP and HD-TVI in bullet and turret housings with fixed and varifocal motorized lenses. The IP versions of these cameras also feature advanced video analytics, including facial recognition, people detection, and vehicle detection. Bring light and color to any surveillance application 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Are your customers wasting time sifting through days worth of video footage and calling you to complain? Eliminate their endless fast forward and rewind headache today. With Speco's easy search technology, you can now search through a 24-hour recording in seconds. The process is simple. Identify the desired camera view by day, click on the thumbnail once to view 24 one-hour clips, click once more on the hour thumbnail to break it down into 60 one-minute clips. That's it. You will easily be able to drill down on any event by simply exporting the clip. Our unique Easy Search solution is available in all desktop and wall mount NVRs, DVRs, and hybrid recorders from Speco. For those instances where a classic camera will not do the trick, Speco has a solution. Ranging from 8 megapixel panoramic and quad view cameras to 6 megapixel 360-degree overhead domes to 4 megapixel IP corner mount cameras for elevators, we have the product to fit almost any application. Does the parking lot need a wide-angle view or a gate where license plate recognition is required for entry? Are you looking for a doorbell for residential or commercial applications that can integrate with your existing Speco surveillance video system with no monthly fees? If the answer to any of these questions is yes, Speco has you covered. All the specialty cameras that we have highlighted are complemented with advanced video analytics and are optimized for low light video performance. Life isn't all bullets, domes, and turrets. Check out our specialty line of cameras to find the ideal camera for any situation. So you've installed multiple Speco surveillance systems this month. That's amazing and we can't thank you enough. But now you need a solution to manage them without having to roll a truck. Our new SecureGuard Dashboard can manage and monitor an unlimited number of customer sites remotely. Sites can be organized neatly and efficiently by end user, region manager, and more. With our dashboard, valued Speco partners can remotely update firmware, determine the health status, add and delete users, turn analytics and key features on and off, and much more. This ability provides for an enhanced RMR stream and trusted off-site cloud storage. SecureGuard Dashboard will change the way you manage sites and is sure to increase your bottom line profitability. Don't waste another drop of gas. Contact us for a demonstration today. Allow all your Speco devices to record directly to the cloud with our new Speco Bridge. This easy-to-install piece of hardware bridges your existing Speco products to our fully encrypted cloud server with no additional software necessary. Conveniently access your recorders from any web browser or any device anywhere in the world by removing the need for clunky software installation. If your client is looking for redundant recording for sensitive areas such as pharmaceutical cabinets or banking counters, Speco Bridge is your answer. Bring all your Speco devices into one viewing platform using Speco's SecureGuard VMS and CMS applications. Speco's VMS software is a robust server-based solution for viewing and managing multiple sites for large-scale applications. SecureGuard VMS works with our Speco Access web-managed access control system, as well as seamlessly integrating with specialty application needs such as gunshot detection, text alert notification, two-way audio with talk-down feature, central station integration, and more. With this software, you'll be able to play back and export footage from your server or directly from your added sites. For sites that require a surveillance powerhouse, SecureGuard VMS is the ideal choice. For small-scale applications, Speco offers CMS software. Speco CMS is a lighter version of VMS that is perfectly suited for the user that will be playing back and reviewing footage from several sites at once while having the ability to save favorite views. SecureGuard CMS eliminates the need to log into multiple recorders independently and allows any 36 cameras to be viewed on one screen from multiple locations. Perfect for the franchise or building with multiple locations or floors that require continual monitoring. Get amazing viewing and configuration convenience with SecureGuard VMS and CMS today with minimal licensing fees. Do you want a robust yet simplified surveillance solution? Speco Gray has everything you need for a quick installation. The Speco Gray solution is perfect for residential or small business applications with advanced analytics. Some of the analytics that are included with Speco Gray are people detection, vehicle detection, and line cross counting. The Speco Gray products are available in convenient kits complete with wiring, have a 2-year warranty, and are NDAA compliant. Are you who your credentials say you are? Add an extra layer of security with 2-factor authentication. We always could integrate video and access control with software, but now we've integrated it with hardware as well. With an NAWA4 or an NAWA4P, we have made installing 2-factor authentication easier than ever before. This all-in-one solution includes everything that you need for hardware, software, and licensing all in one box. Save time, money, labor, and the headache of trying to combine 2 separate manufacturers for a clean video surveillance and access integration. Try Speco's one-of-a-kind all-in-one video and access wall-mount unit on your next installation. You'll be glad you did. Do your access systems require costly software installations? Eliminate on-site calls and setup time with Speco's software-embedded access control ecosystem. With a wide array of readers and a scalable solution up to 128 doors, Speco can outfit any access control need. And the best part of it all is that our interface is completely browser-based. Maximize revenue opportunities utilizing a variety of free services through Speco. We offer our advanced analytics completely free, giving you the ability to leverage these analytics to significantly increase your revenue while retaining 100% of the profit. Activate and bill your customers a monthly fee for analytics like facial recognition or people detection. Paired with a dashboard, you can deactivate any feature or the recorder entirely through your cloud connection should your customer stop paying for any reason. Stay fully protected while limiting truck rolls. Now that you've seen the new products, let us know in the comments what you're most excited about. For more information, visit us at specotech.com and follow us on social media. Also, make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with future content. We hope to see you next year. Thank you for watching, and thank you for choosing Speco.
I'm rolling.
View, playback, and export footage from multiple recorders using the SecureGuard VMS.
I wanted to be like on the video.
All right, everybody, we're here at IC West.